Use a plastic bottle in a clever way. Cut off the top part near the cap. This simple piece can turn into a handy tool. Pouring products from a plastic bag can be tricky, often leading to spills. But here's a smart trick. Take the cut-off bottle top and pull the bag with dry ingredients through the opening, leaving the ends sticking out. Now you can control the amount you pour without making a mess. When you're done, simply screw the cap back on, sealing the bag tightly. No spills, no waste, just a quick and practical solution. Give it a try. A simple trick to separate egg yolks from whites. All you need is a plastic bottle. Gently squeeze the bottle, place it over the yolk, and release it into another bowl. The yolk is instantly sucked into the bottle, leaving the egg white behind. Quick, clean, and mess-free. Need an easy way to seal plastic packaging? Place a knife along the opening, fold the plastic carefully over it, and heat the edge. The plastic will melt together, creating an airtight seal. This keeps your food fresh longer, preventing spills and moisture. Simple, fast, and effective. Don't throw away an empty ketchup bottle. It has a brilliant use in the kitchen that greatly facilitates cooking. Its shape and the materials it's made of have fantastic functions. Tossing it into the trash is a mistake. When the ketchup is finished, unscrew the cap and thoroughly wash its interior. Then, prepare a blender pitcher. Peel a banana and break it into smaller pieces, then toss it into the blender. Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Prepare a small package of vanilla cream cheese. Finally, crack 2 eggs into the mixture. Blend everything into a smooth batter. Then, transfer it into the ketchup bottle. Finally, screw on the cap. The ketchup cap has a larger opening than other sauces. This is important because it's great for portioning small pancakes. Just squeeze the batter onto a heated pan. Without mess, you can make perfect mini pancakes. My kids love them. If you don't use all the batter, just close the bottle and put it in the fridge. The kitchen stays clean. Making pancakes using a ketchup bottle is pure pleasure. Pour the contents of this bottle into the toilet. It will be clean and shiny like new. The dirt will disappear. If you also enjoy cleanliness, everything properly disinfected and smelling fresh, then this method is for you. I'll give you a very simple but effective recipe for a mixture that will clean the toilet, sink, and tiles. You'll also get rid of the unpleasant smell from the toilet. Everything in the bathroom will shine and smell pleasant. Pour 1 liter of water into a bowl. The water should be at room temperature. Add 150 milliliters of any dishwashing liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors, softens water. It is slightly abrasive, so it effectively removes stains and dirt. It also has bactericidal properties. Also, add 3 teaspoons of hair bleach. It's an oxidizer, but stronger than 3% hydrogen peroxide. It effectively whitens and removes stains. It works great for cleaning ceramic toilets and sinks. Add half a cap of fabric softener. This will make the bathroom smell pleasant. Pour everything into any bottle. I'll use a bottle from a drink and make a hole in the cap, but you can use a spray bottle. Spray the inside of the toilet and scrub. You don't need to use store-bought products. This mixture will last you a long time. Also, clean the sink. Use gloves because of the bleach used. You can also clean the floor and wall tiles with this solution. Everything will be clean and shiny. When I have work to do in the kitchen, I use this trick. It's incredibly useful and has saved me in many situations. That's why I always keep an empty plastic bottle nearby. Cut off the top part of the bottle using a utility knife. Then, cut out a half-circle piece, about the width of your hand. Use a soldering iron to make 2 small holes on both sides of the plastic at about the same height. Take a rubber band, cut it, and thread the ends through the holes in the plastic. Tie the ends into loops on the outside. Do the same with the other end of the rubber band. You'll end up with a small protective shield. Make sure the rubber band isn't too loose. Now, slip it onto your left hand, and it will perfectly protect your fingers. You can now prep your vegetables and start chopping without worrying about your fingers or nails. With this shield, you won't cut yourself, even when using a very sharp knife. Are you annoyed by the new caps on bottles? I'll show you that you can use these new bottles in a practical way, and you might even start to like them. Although the new attached caps are inconvenient to use, there is a way around them. These caps are a result of EU regulations. This is to make recycling easier and provide better environmental protection. Small bottle caps were often lost and didn't always end up in the right containers. Now almost every plastic bottle has a cap attached to it. Unfortunately, unscrewing such a cap is impractical, and drinking or pouring from it is often quite a challenge. Comment below what you think about these new caps. But these caps can actually be an advantage of the bottle. Loosen the ring to which the cap is attached and remove it along with the ring. It turns out that this little ring can be a great bottle handle. Screw the bottle shut. Attach it, for example, to a carabiner on your backpack. You can also attach keys together and keep them with the bottle in your bag or backpack. You can even secure the bottle inside your bag to prevent it from tipping over. As you can see, using the new caps as handles is a great idea. All you need is a regular bottle to wash white socks. When the washing machine struggles to remove black stains on the sock, it turns out that a regular bottle can handle it. Pour warm water into a bowl and put the dirty socks in it. Leave them for a few minutes. Then, take one sock and stretch it over the bottle. It's important that the bottle is filled with liquid. The sock must be on the right side. Pour plenty of soap or laundry detergent on it. Hold the sock on the bottle with one hand. Take a regular brush in the other hand. Start vigorously scrubbing the sock, so that foam forms. Just a few strokes to see the first results. No washing machine will clean the sock fibers as thoroughly. With this method, you'll effortlessly clean them from dirt. They'll be snow white like new. Place a bottle like this near your house, and your problem will disappear in no time. Its function will surprise you. This clever trick is indispensable. Just take an ordinary plastic bottle, like one that used to hold water or another drink. It should be a large one. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a few strips and roll them into balls. Fill the bottle with water, leaving it more than half full. Then, drop a few of the aluminum balls into the water. Next, screw the cap onto the bottle with the balls inside. It might not look like much, but trust me, it works wonders. Place it near your house, preferably by the door. You can also put it against the side of the house. No stray animals will come near your home. The reflection of light off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, will deter animals. Stray dogs or cats will avoid your property. This method also works if you live in the countryside or near a forest, where deer or wild boars might pay you an unexpected visit. A bottle like this with water and foil balls is all you need to keep them away.